Okay, question 1. Tim owns a clothes shop. He buys 60 shirts at £8 each. The selling price of each shirt is worked out so that he makes a profit of 50% on each shirt. Okay, he sells 15 shirts at this price, and then the question goes on and on, doesn't it? So if we look here, it says, has Tim made a profit or a loss, yeah, on this question? So hopefully you've read through that question, had a go at it, and then we can address each step here. Don't get confused by all this information, just break it down, okay? It's really important you break it down. So we need to work out if we've made a profit or a loss, don't we? First thing we perhaps should do is work out how much he's spent to start with. Clearly they're that top line, we can deal with that to start with. Okay? He buys, it says, 60 shirts at £8 each. He buys the shirts to start with, 60 shirts at £8 each. So the cost of the shirts to buy equals 60 times £8. Okay? Now, of course, when you do this, you just do 6 times 8, it's 48, and add the 0, so £480. Okay? The selling price of each shirt is worked out so that he makes a profit of 50% on each shirt. So we need to work out the selling price now. It's 50% profit. So if we work out 50% of the £8 that he spent on each shirt, 50% of £8, of course, is half, isn't it? Half of £8 is £4. So the selling price, he's going to sell it at the £8 that he paid for the shirt, plus then our 50% extra, and that comes out to be £12. So selling price is £12. Now, how many shirts did he sell at this price? Of course, he sells 15 shirts. That's what it says, 15 shirts at this price. Okay? Now, 15 shirts at £12, okay, means we have to do 15 times £12. Okay? Now, when I work that out, there's lots of different ways you can do this. Okay, lots of ways. You could do 10, couldn't you? You could do 10 times 12, which is 120, and then 5 times 12, which is 60. Okay, you could do it that way. Split it up into 10 and 5, lots of 12. Gives you 15 times 12, we add that up. Okay, so I've made a calculation there, alright? I've shown my workings, my calculation, so then I'm going to make a statement then. Remember now, this is one of these communication questions, so I need to make a statement then. What does this £180 represent? This is his take-ins, isn't it? His take-ins on the sale of 15 shirts is £180. Okay. After a few months, Tim reduces the selling price of each shirt by £5. So what I would do then is I would state, okay, well, the reduced price, well, of course, the price that he started with was £12. So take away now £5. So now the reduced price is £7. He then sells the remaining shirts at this reduced selling price. Let's work out how many remaining shirts there are. Remaining shirts. Well, he started with 60, didn't he? But he sold 15 at the full price, so he's left with 45. So each shirt here will be sold at 45. Will be sold at £7 each. So we need to work out what 45 times 7 is. Okay, so again, maybe we'll use the same strategy as last time to multiply 40 times 7, 5 times 7. Okay, any approach, it doesn't matter what approach you use. I'm just showing one example here. 40 times 7, well, 4 times 7 is 28, add a 0. 5 times 7 is 35. Add them up, you get £315. Okay, so that's how much he's made. Okay, so we took £350 on the remaining shirts. Okay. Right, so the total take-ins £315 plus then the 180 took 180, isn't he, on the first 15 shirts. Now if you add them together, you get obviously 495 when you add them together. So the question asks, did he make a profit or loss? Well, he took 495. The shirts, if you go back there, cost £480. So he actually made a profit, didn't he? He made a profit of £15. Okay.